Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am back with another interesting SQL question, and trust me, today we are going to have a lot of fun. So I am going to solve this question with three methods, okay? And after watching all three methods, you have to tell me which is the best method performance wise. Also, if you think you have a better method of solving the question, let me know. Comment your answer. I will see if that is a good solution. Okay. So let's start and understand the problem. So there is a hospital table, okay, and here for different employees we have different actions. Meaning when the employee is going inside, then it will be action will be in. If the employee is coming out of the office or hospital, the action will be out. And we have a different time for in and out for each employees. We have five employees in the table. We are concerned about only these five employees. We don't know about others who are inside, but the information we don't have in this table. So the question is write a SQL to find the total number of people present inside the hospital, right? So based on this data, we have to tell how many employees were inside hospital after all this actions has happened. Okay, so let's see one by one all the employees and then we will move on to the solution. So if you look at the employee 1, I will just note down, right? So if we look at the employee 1 went in at 9 o'clock and then came out at 9:15. It means this employee is outside the hospital. He is not inside. So he is out, right? He is not inside. Now look at the employee 2. Employee 2 is in, right? Then 9:15 out, then in. So this guy is in, right? He was inside, he went inside, then came out, then again went inside, right? 9:30. So he is in. So 2 is in, right? Now look at 3. 3 was already inside, it seems. He came out, then he went inside, right? Then came out, then went inside. At the end, he is also in, right? Employee 4, he went in and that's it, never came out. So 4 is also in. Now look at the last one, 5. He was inside, it seems, and he went out. So he is out, right? So the answer should be 3 employees. 2, 3, 4. These 3 employees were inside the hospital. So we have to write a SQL. Okay. So let me start with the first method. I'm going to solve it with 3 methods. Okay. So first method will be I will be using having clause, right? Very, very simple. So how we have to approach this problem? So we have to see the in time, the last maximum in time of the employee should be greater than last outside time, right? So for example, this guy, the last in is 9:30 and last out is 9:15. So we can say, okay, he was inside, right? So that's how we can approach the problem. And for each employee, we have to individually check. So there is no relation between employee 1 and employee 2. We have to independently check for each employee. Now, if you are watching my videos, you are following my YouTube channel, you should be able to solve this problem. And today I am going to do step by step solution for each of the three solutions. So watch this video till end. Okay, so I will say what I'm going to do. I need a maximum time for out and in, but the problem is I have a same column, right? In this column I have in also, and in this column I have out also. So first of all I have to separate out in and out, and then I can take max. So I will create a new column. I will say case when action equal to in, then time, right? And as in time, right? Similarly, when it is out, then time and as out time. Okay, let me run this and show you. So if you see, we created a separate column for in time and out time, right? In time, out time, right? Here it was all one column. Now we have separate column. So when I'm taking in time, out time is null. Similarly, here if you see, out is there, so in is null, right? In is there, out is null. But in this way, I can take maximum of in time and maximum of out time, right? So I will say group by. So I need employee ID, right? Employee ID. For each employee ID, I need. So I will say group by employee ID, right? and let me run this. Sorry, I have to take maximum, right? Let me take max. So let me run this again. So I have in time and out time for each employee and I need maximum of it. So I will do group by employee ID and do max. This will give me for each employee what is the maximum in time and what is the maximum out time. Okay. Okay. So we got it for employee ID 1. Maximum in time is this and maximum out time is this. So I can just say where in time is greater than out time. Now, how can I say that? Either I create a CTE, right? I can say with CTE as this, right? Or I can put this in a having clause also. Let me do with the CTE and then I will show it with the having clause as well. Now I can say select star from CTE where in time is greater than out time, right? So this is how it will give. Now there is one problem. Ideally, we should get 2, 3, 4, but we will not get 4 here because this is a null, right? So let me show this quickly. Right, we got 2 or 3 because null is not comparable, right? Let me run inside query again and show you what is the problem. So when I say in time is greater than out time, this value is not comparable because null cannot be comparable. If I say this is greater than null, it will not return. This anyway is out, so we don't care. But here there is a problem. So which means so every employee will either have at least one in time or out time, right? So I can simply say where in time is greater than out time or out time is null. So if out time is null, that guy never went out, right? Some at some point of time he would have gone in, right? He got in but never went out. So out time will be null. So I can say either in time is greater than out time or out time is null, right? So let me run this and we should get the three records. Okay, so we got the three records 2, 3, 4, right? Now instead of this is not my second solution. I'm just telling you can do having max of in time. I mean max of this time, basically in time, right? Because this is aggregate function I can use in having clause is greater than this, right? So this is my first condition, or this is null. This is similar to what we have done here, right? Here we calculated separately and then doing outside, but here inside query I'm just running it, right? This much. So we got 2, 3, 4. So this is the same method, just here I'm putting in having clause, and when using CT I'm using these as columns and putting the same condition, right? So this is how you can solve it with method 1. Now move on to method 2. Now what we can do, another thing is with the method 2, select star from hospital, right? I can separate out in time and out time, right? So I will create a city with in time as select employee ID, comma max of time as latest in time, right? I'm taking it as separate and I will put a filter where action equal to. There is one important thing here. I'm going to explain it. Just watch it. So if you look at it, we got the in time, right? So let me run this. So I got maximum. Sorry, group by is missing. Group by emp underscore id, right? So I have filtered on the in time, and for each employee, I'm getting what is the latest in time, right? I got maximum of it. Similarly, I will get the out time. This will be my out time. And I will say action equal to out and maximum of time, and this way I will get the latest out time, right? Now I can join these two, in time and out time. So let me do this. Select star from. Now here it is one important thing. What we should do? We should do inner join, left join. What we should do? Let's do inner join, and then we will see if there is any problem. Okay. So I will say in time as in time inner join, out time on in time dot empid equal to out time dot empid, right? And let's run this. Okay, so if you see here, employee 4 and 5 are not there at all, because let me run that also with this. Select star from hospital. So if you look at it here, we don't have a, for employee 4 we just have a in time, right? We don't have a out time, out out action, right? So what will happen from the out query, there will not be any record coming, right? So if I run this, if you see, only 1, 2, 3, and 5 are coming, 4 is not there. Similarly, if I run this, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there, 5 is not there. So when I am doing inner join, only 1, 2, 3 are common, right? So that is the problem, first of all. So if I run this again, just this query, so I am getting 3 record. That is first of all a problem. I should get a 5 record. Even if I'm not getting the 5 record, at least I should get all the records from in time, because if someone is, there is no in time, I don't care about it, because I care about it people which are inside. So I can at least get all the employees from in time. So I will say left join, right? Now if I run this, I will get 4 records, right? Employee 85 I don't care, because in time is not there for that guy, so anyway we don't want that. That's why I can use in time as a left table. I hope this makes sense. And now I can put my condition where latest in time is greater than latest out time. This should be out time, my bad. Latest out time, right? Or again same condition, or latest out time is null, right? So let's run this, and we have got our 3 employees, 2, 3, 4, right? Move on to the last solution. I think this is very good solution, very smart solution, I will say. Okay, so let's do that. So now if we look at carefully, what we need is, we need to check the latest activity of the employee, and if the latest activity is in, then we can consider that this guy is in, right? Irrespective what he is doing throughout the day, if its latest activity is in, it means this guy will be in, right? So what I will do, for each employee id, I'm going to take max time irrespective of in or out as latest time, right? All activities, I will make it as with all activity or latest time. Okay, and this will be max latest time. Anyway, whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay, so this is my, I got latest time irrespective of in and out. Now what I will do second, I will say, okay, group by is missing again here, group by emp underscore id, right? Now what I will do, I will just copy this again and say latest in time. Okay. Now here I will filter on action equal to here action equal to in. So what I'm getting maximum time for all the activities, doesn't matter, right? And here I'm getting latest in time. And if this time and this time are same, I will say that this employee was inside, right? Max in time. Okay. And as is missing here, that's it. Now what I will do, I will just going to join this. Select star from latest time. Okay. Uh, yes. Latest time lt, let's say, inner join latest in time lit on lt dot emp id equal to lit dot emp underscore id, and the time should also be same, right? I think I typed it somewhere else. Okay, lt dot employee id equal to lit dot employee id, and also these two times should be same. I will say max latest time equal to max in time. So if the max time, whatever activity is there for the for the whole day, irrespective of in and out, if it is same as in time, then we are done, right? So I'm doing an inner join, so I will get the common record only. If I run this now, you see we got 234 because maximum latest time and maximum in time is same. Okay, let me know which solution you like the more, and if you have a better solution, please do comment. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. I will put in the description box the insert and create statements as well.